PhilHealth can already request the President to return the money, the 60 billion that were transmitted to PhilHealth, to the government for ANCO program funds. Ibalik na yan sa PhilHealth, and PhilHealth to expand its benefits, hire more people to answer for the needs of the health of our people. That will be all, Chief.
May pasimpleng patutsada sa Kamara de Representantes si Senador Cynthia Villar kaugnay ng impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Sa kapihan sa Manila Bay Forum nitong Miyerkules, Marso 5, nahingan ng reaksyon si Villar tungkol sa paalala ni Senate Minority Leader Aquilino Coco Pimentel III sa mga kapwa senador na mayroon silang constitutional duty na dapat mauna bago ang anumang bagay. Hinihimok ni Pimentel ang pamunuan ng Senado na aksyonan agad ang reklamong impeachment laban kay Duterte. Sabi ni Villar, "Can you tell that to the senators? Can the Senate President tell that to the senators?" Baka sa House kaya kasi meron silang pakinabang. But the Senate, you don't buy the senators. They have their own money. Dagdag pa ni Villar. Naniniwala rin si Villar na out of schedule na ang impeachment trial dahil na nakabreak na ang Kongreso simula pa Pebrero. I agree na it's too much to ask the senators to come back and do impeachment while they are campaigning. Ani Villar. Ipinagtanggol din ni Villar ang Senado mula sa mga batikos dahil sa umano'y kabiguan nitong agarang aksyonan ang impeachment complaint. Ipinunto niyang ang articles of impeachment ay ipinadala lamang sa Senado noong Pebrero 5, ang huling araw ng sesyon bago magpahinga ang Kongreso. Last day of session dinala sa amin. Bigla nilang dinicide na gusto nilang mag-impeach tapos kami ang sisihin nila. Ba't hindi nila pinadala earlier?
Initially, sa NEP pa lang. For purposes of preparing the NEP, the PhilHealth will submit to the Office of the President a budget. Part of that budget is the amount of subsidy for indirect contributors. How much do you ask for, and what was the basis for this amount?
Your Honor, if I may, I'm not familiar on the exact amount, but in terms of the process, I know I am to the best of my knowledge, the proposal of PhilHealth is well put together with with DOH. So it's a DOH budget submitted to DBM for evaluation.
No, the reason why I ask this, we have laws that allocate funds to answer for the subsidy of government to PhilHealth. Mentioned earlier, syntaxes, etc., etc. Now, do you know the actual collection of government corresponding to these taxes? And if you have computed this amount, do this equal to the amount PhilHealth requested Office of the President for purposes of subsidy for indirect contributors?
Your Honor, I do not have with me the exact certifications from the syntax
I need to get an
allocation.
answer to this because this is in relation to the question of a special fund. Yung collection ng gobyerno sa mga taxes, PAGCOR, etc., for the year, ito rin ba ang hiningi ng PhilHealth sa Office ng President para doon sa subsidy ng indirect contributors? For me, it should be the same amount.
I believe our colleagues from PhilHealth or probably DOH would be in a better position to answer this on the exact amounts, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Assistant Secretary Albert Domingo from the Department of Health.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. To the question on how the PhilHealth computes its request for a budget, it does not refer to the computation on the syntax allocation. Instead, it counts the number of members based on a database. There is a database on indirect members, and then it generates a list. It enumerates the number. The exact number escapes me now, but this is the process. And then that number is submitted, multiplied by a factor, which is the premium rate, and then it is submitted to the Department of Budget Management.
When you come up with your budget request for the subsidy, you don't actually consider the taxes being collected that Congress passed for purposes of subsidy for indirect contributors.
That is correct, Your Honor. The budget is computed based on the need.
So they're not following the law? You're not observing what the law requires?
Your Honor, budget principles require that it's needs-based. If we will follow it based on the projected fund ceiling or availability, it might not match certain needs.
Yes, I agree. It's based on needs. But the problem there is PhilHealth limits the funding so that you don't address the needs, the health needs of the Filipino people. If you increase budget 200%, and I don't think the Filipino would not avail of that. You define your own limits. The Congress allocates budget or collects taxes, provides for collection of taxes to answer for the subsidy of PhilHealth for indirect contributors. Now, when you request money for subsidy, ang ibig mong sabihin, hindi mo papakailam yun? Hindi mo naiintindihin yun? Gagawa ka ng sarili mong formula because you have limited understanding, there's a limited need of our people for health.
Your Honor, the current administration agrees with your observation, which is why this particular case under litigation has been the signal it has been using to increase the benefits. Ang tagal na po, 10 taon.
So therefore, if the current administration recognize that, very thank you. And therefore, they should bring back the money back to PhilHealth.
Your Honor, the reason why the administration recognized it because for the longest time, the corporation has thought it will always get money because of the guarantee of the sin
Oh,
tax.
precisely, whatever it would be. Whatever is that. As long as the government recognizes now, it is now incumbent on the part of the government to return the 60 billion that was transmitted already because it recognized now. Hindi lang na-recognize probably before. Ngayon na-recognize na. So therefore, when you recognize it, you should return it. What do you think?
Your Honor,
Na dito kami para i-announce yung pag-umpisa ng pagsampa ng mga kaso laban kay Congressman Ace Barbers dahil sa mga sinabi niya tungkol sa amin na nakakapanirang puri. Ito po ay final sa Quezon City kaninang hapon. So, kami po lahat dito ay we feel we have been wronged. And we in fact have embodied itong mga nangyari, yung mga sinabi niya, yung paninirang mga sinabi, at yung tuloy-tuloy pa rin na ginagawa nila sa amin, na tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang damage na ginagawa. Hindi lang sa amin, kundi pati sa aming mga kapamilya, pati sa mga kaibigan. Ang peligro na ipinipresenta ng kanyang mga sinabi sa amin, hindi lang sa mga reputasyon namin, pati sa health namin, mga iniisip namin tungkol sa sinabi nila, sa mga potential backlash, sa potential outcomes ng kanyang mga sinasabi, potential matters that can be brought up. Hindi lingid sa aming atensyon o kaalaman ng apik ng fake news ay tinitake up na pati ng ehekutibo. Hindi lang po ito nasa legislature, kung hindi naririnig na namin from no less than the President, the Press Secretary, sa press officer, naririnig namin from law enforcement agencies. So yung pag-akusa sa amin ng mga bagay katulad ng narco-vlogger, pogo vlogger, fake news, ay umaabot, pro-China vloggers, ay umaabot na sa punto na akusasyon na ito, imputasyon na ito sa amin ng mga krimen o depekto na posibleng dumikit sa amin panghabang buhay. Hindi namin maaaring palampasin ito, lalong-lalo na galing sa isang tao na kongresista, na isang opisyal ng gobyerno. At kadalasan, although yung mga remarks niya dito ay hindi covered ng immunity, ginagamit din ang kanyang posisyon para makapanirang puri. Isang dahilan sa aming pagsampa ng kaso na ito para ipakita itong investigasyon na ginagawa ng Kongreso ay superfluous. Pinapakita namin by filing these cases that the law is sufficient. Kung mayroon silang nakikita na mali kaming sinabi, na may paglalabag sa batas, Andyan na nga po ang batas. At yan po ay dinidemonstrate namin ngayon. Bukod sa paninirang puri na ginawa niya, ginagamit namin ang existent na sistema ng hustisya para sagutin ang aming pangangailangan dito para mapuno yung mali na ginawa niya at magawan ng resolusyon ito. We are taking recourse with the law and with the system already in place because we believe that that system is enough.